fucking 11:15. Baler, baling some grass seed straw. These ones come up. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Unlock it. Try again. Usually goes a prick. Try one. Oh, I forgot what I did. I know what I've forgotten. Hold on. Fuck, that was a close one. It's definitely gonna work this time. There you fucking go. I always forget to put the PDO back in. Look at a rapid go. I'll just leave that panel open, I reckon. Just so I can watch it as it gets a bit darker. Good to go. C gear, power shift 3. Running the PDO about 540. Just picking it up pretty quick. First beat. Second beat. Oh, I forgot to put it on manual. Auto, I mean. Good thing just wraps it. She's ready to pop out. Beauty. And that's what I'll be doing for the next, hopefully only 45 minutes to probably an hour. What's the time? It's 11:30 right now.